Hi guys, Tom here, America's favorite hoarder. I found this on the roadside garbage day about a year ago. Finally got around to playing around with it, and of course, it doesn't work. The TV does not pick up a signal to the airways, so I figured I would take it apart. I did manage to find an AM/FM power supply in my bucket, and I'll return it to the bucket. That being said, let's move this little gem of an antique over here to my workspace, the floor of the apartment. I am being sponsored tonight, unofficially, by Stockyards Black IPA. Cheers. Now, let's see, where should we begin to take this apart? I have a new TV up there, which I also cannot pick up a signal yet, but I haven't tried. And since I have that new TV, I don't need this old TV. What's that? I didn't see that before. Oh, power supply. Yep, don't need that either. So where to begin? Let's see. I will keep the antenna. I always seem to need antennas, but it seems like it might be loose. Maybe that's why I can't get a picture. I could bother fixing it, or not. It seems to be a screw hole. Let's see if we can get anything in it. Maybe not. Oh no, I need more tools. Hold on just a second. Alright, I got one of my little... I've been looking for these. Little Phillips and a little regular. So let's see if we can get one of these little do-lines to undo something. Nothing there. Oh no, nothing there. Might need a longer Phillips. Oh, the regular. Man, I do have a hammer, but I don't want to be bashing it that's in the apartment. I don't need pieces flying all over the place. Don't need the neighbors complaining, or they know not what I do. Let's see. Whoops. Get that off. Alright, there is the laser eye. This did not work, by the way. I was not able to play a CD on it. So sadly, it did. I do have AM/FM reception, but nothing on the little itty bitty screw. I wonder if that would work. Eyeglass thingy. So small I can't see it. Alright, got it. Let's see. Terrible, I tell you. Let's try the flash on the camera. Ah, it's Phillips. Alright, let's try this one first of all. Oh, this rate, I'm going to be here all the rest of my life. That was too big. This one was too small. Oh no, I better not. I don't really want to bash it up. I don't really need more antennas. Oh, I can see the screw down there. Down that little itty bitty hole right there. Way down there. I wonder. Let's try that again. Nope, look at that. Just the right size. Just have to be more patient. So, like I said, this is an AM/FM television CD player. That's 1, Let's try this. Oh, no wonder it didn't work. I may have to pry it. Let's see. The top parts work. I need to get another hobby. Now what? Boosh. As the front says. Shouldn't do that. Should make so much noise. Where's that screwdriver at? I really wanted to see what was inside this thing. Alright. We're making progress. A couple little red LEDs. Let's see here. Put the pieces over there. Pieces I don't want over there, I should say that. How do I get that off? Oh, Lord, I'll be here forever. Open. Let's see. It says open. I want it open. Oh, there we go. Oh, my Lord. Let's see. Is there a date? Duracell. A lot of batteries nowadays have a date on them. March 2011. Is that the expiration date or the born on date? Who knows? But we'll move those over there. Man. You want to go to the beach with a portable TV? You need 10 D-size batteries. Alright. Get that off. Well, was it cookie crumbs or sand? There's some corrosion. Where did that needle those pliers go I had? Sitting on it? Sand. It's hard to do this one-handed. I might not just worry about it. Sorry, I'll put that over there. Can't lose it as long as it's next to the beer, right? Cheers. I missed my mouth. I'm not even drunk. Well, let's see. This is taking way too long. And I don't know. It was a Memorex model. What model was it? Is it? Still. Let's see. There we go. Oh, now I find it. Product support. Oh no, parts and accessories. Too late now. Let's see here. I thought there might be a couple screw holes. What's that right there? No, that's not what I'm looking for. Well, who knows what's inside this Memorex AM/FM CD player, TV player. Because I can't seem to get this cover off. It's a Memorex, so it's made fairly well. Although my little bash seems to have made the TV screen a little off center. Ooh, I wonder if there's a copper yoke in that TV screen. Inquiring minds want to know. Nope. Gotta be way into this thing. Let's see, where was that screw? Right. How do I keep losing things? Got that one out already. This one has to go all the way down there. But because this part is so wide, I can't seem to get the screwdriver down there. So I need a longer screwdriver. Oh no. Do I dare pause it again? Well, I was not able to find a longer screwdriver without having to go through 10 toolboxes in the closet. And unfortunately, do I dare? at that. Might have just hit, like the Fonz, hit it at the right spot. Let's see what we got here. Don't mind my shoeless feet. Yes, we're in, I think. The more I pry, the tighter it seems to get. So, let's see. Let's see if I can set this up to where you can all watch it. You know what? We're making progress here, I think. What's inside this Memorex? There. There you go. A good deal of stuff. We shall chop off this. Chop off this. We got the speakers. Despite my little bit of noise today, I am one of the quietest people in the building. I've got people stomping and dogs running around upstairs. Look, you're on TV. Not really. I've got two little speakers here I might keep. But they do work. If I can get them out, yes. I think. Oh, wait, maybe not. Let's see. There we go. I kind of miss doing this stuff on a weekly basis in the basement of the house I used to rent. And sadly, they wanted to sell the house after renting to me for several years. I don't really blame them. They're renting the house to me at $565 a month for a 2-bedroom house. So they had to be out of their minds to continue, and I really can't blame them for wanting me to leave so they could refurbish it and sell it. Nice little speaker. So, do that with the other one. I know you can't see very much, but I'm still here. And if I keep moving things around, you can see, it'll take all day. Let me pause it. Pause the video. Like I said, I am making progress, but it's already taken 13 minutes. Well, still making progress. We have the TV screen. What is it, 4 inches, 5 inches across? And the beautiful yoke with the copper. I'm not going to bust it open on because I don't want glass all over the floor in the carpet of the apartment. I'll take it out to up by the trash can and release the gas. Actually, yes, I'm not going to bust that open here tonight. Here's the circuit board that was inside. All sorts of goodies. Let's see here. See if there's anything in there I could see. Copper. A little bit of copper in there. Get rid of these screws. Put them over there. And we got all sorts of tidbits here. It's covered with crumbs. Oh no. Not food crumbs either. Little bits of plastic. Which I don't need all over the floor of the apartment. What is that? Piece of metal. I'm not recycling metal anymore. Or scrap steel, I should say. I'm still doing the copper. I've got a little jar of copper and brass. So, let's see. What do we have here? Anything of interest? Nothing for my interest. Got a fuse, which I don't need for anything. A little piece of aluminum there. There may be some silver in these switches, but I'm not worried about it. I'll just pop that copper thing off there. couldn't let my buddy Ian across the pond make a video without me making a video. His are actually more enjoyable. But I always look forward to finding his videos. I will put that over there. I will trash that. And trash this. I don't even see a crystal oscillator in here, which is weird. Unless that's one right there. No, it doesn't look like one. It's quite heavy though. Put that over there, put that over there. We still got some, ooh, I see something in there. I thought I saw something in there. Let's see, a little bit of copper here. Pull that out. Just put that off there. If I can get that circuit board out, there may be something in there. I do see a little bit of copper right there. And other than that, I don't see a whole lot worth fiddling with, fortunately. So, that being said, I'm just going to throw this whole thing in the garbage. I'll do the TV screen another day. I do not need an antenna. I say that now, being a hoarder. As soon as I throw it away, I'll need it. But I'll take that chance. Or will I? Hold on. Look at that. Fits. Ellie's intrigued. Go away. Darn cat. Tried to take her for a walk yesterday. I don't think she liked it. But that's okay. She'll get used to the leash and halter harness. I'm not one of the people who put my animal in a sports bra and follow them around with a plastic bag. Don't be ridiculous. Almost as bad as people that believe in this. I won't even mention the name. Chinese virus. Put that over there. We got a box full of garbage. Put that in the trash. Clean up my mess. And that's about it. So, there you go. Ooh. That might be aluminum. Probably not. And I don't know what that is. I have a mess with hardly anything to show for it other than the coil that's around that TV yoke. And a bunch of stuff I probably won't need. But I wanted to check in. In the old days, I would just throw the batteries in the scrap metal pile because they're quite heavy. And since I do have a few piles, man, I might have to start another metal pile. I don't know. But like I said, I wanted to check in. Don't give up on me yet. I'm still recycling when I can. I shouldn't say recycling. I'm still collecting things. I have a nice little bunch of stuff in the back of the car, which I have to get around to taking apart. Chopping it down. Making it smaller. Like this thing. I've made it smaller. Not that much smaller. Ooh, insulated copper wire. I didn't even think about that. It's probably isn't even copper wire. No, that looks like steel. Yeah, it's not copper. Yeah, no copper there. No copper there. But that's all for now. Wanted to check in again. Not at the bar. Not drinking pumpkin beer. I'm drinking a black IPA by Stockyards. Thanks for watching. Keep hoarding. Or don't. Recycling on my apartment floor. Bye-bye.